Hello everybody, my name is Edgar and I am from the Bang Group. Today, I will show you how you can set up auto-fitting for your Excel sheet so you can get your work done faster. In today's video, we'll be going over setting up auto-fit columns with view code and an example of auto-fit columns within our sheet. One of the most annoying things to deal with when working in Excel is having to manually adjust each column when adding data to make sure all of our content is shown within our workbook. Having to go through an Excel workbook fixing these columns one by one takes valuable time out of our day. So let's take a look at how we can set up AutoFitter in our Excel worksheets in order to improve our workflow. So here we have an example for an Excel sheet. As we can see here that some of these columns are being cut off due to the data within the cell being too long. So let's fix that. So we're going to go in the bottom of our window here, right click on the Sheet tab, and click on View Code. So once we're here, we want to make sure that we're on Worksheet, and then right under the first header, we're going to add our code. So I will add this on the description so you can copy it for yourself. But we're just going to enter cells dot entire column dot autofit. And that's going to allow our Excel to autofit our columns for us. So once we have that on there, we can exit out. And once we click back, we can see that our columns are automatically fitted perfectly. So the cool thing about this now is that whenever we add new data, it will automatically fill it for us. So if we fill up this imaginary UPC code, we'll go out of frame and it'll automatically frame it for us. Now you know a neat productivity trick for improving your workflow in Excel. Please make sure to like this video if you find it helpful and follow the Bain Group channel to keep up with new Microsoft updates and tips. Thank you.